I literally did not plan on making a video today because today was supposed to be my day of rest and then I received a package. Ooh, ooh. Whoa. Hi, hello, 안녕, Ray입니다. 반갑습니다. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome, welcome. My skin type is oily, sensitive, dehydrated, and reactive. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, 맞다, my name. Keep the light here. Okay, this is so cool. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. My name is Ray, and if you don't know who I am, that's okay because you can find out more about me here on all social media platforms. So at the end of 2022, Skinfood reached out to me via email, which was really odd. I normally get like DMs most of the time from brands, but I guess it makes sense. I do have my public email circulating on the internet. Long story short, Skinfood reached out to me saying that they've watched my 2 Skinfood reviews, which I've done for Style Korean. The person who reached out to me, her name was Pesuhyun-님. 안녕. She reached out and said that she enjoyed watching the 2 Skinfood skincare reviews I have on this channel and that she would like to send me a thank you food box. Of course, I had no idea what this all meant because I don't know what a thank you food box is. This afternoon, I received a gigantic box in the mail. Dun-dun! Wow, what's inside? 너무 감사합니다, 수현님. And there is also this. So many gifts! I think I'm gonna open this one first because it's smaller. This one is the Water Parsley Toner by Skinfood and it has Hanje Water Parsley. I don't think I've ever had parsley in my skincare before, let alone Hanje Parsley. Quick disclaimer, this is just a gift that they sent me. Like, they didn't ask me to post anything about it. I even specifically emailed them back saying like, I don't want the obligation to have to post, and they were like, that's totally fine. And I was like, great, thank you. But of course, as soon as I saw these, like, come on, I saw this box and I was like, I have to do a full unboxing of this. This is just too beautiful. All right. Wow. Oh, 너무 예쁘다. I thought it was a glass bottle, but it's a plastic bottle. I love Skinfood's labeling. They've been really doing a great job with the graphic design department. And it seems like the toner itself is a little bit like a cloudy water. Whoa, 300 milliliters of this? I want to know how much this costs because I feel like this would be such a bang for a buck because I feel like toner nowadays, they always come in either 100 to 150 milliliters and it's like, what, $20 or something? I mean, not all brands, but a lot of brands. And it's really rare to find a bottle that is like 300 mils. I will use this very well. 감사합니다. Okay, are you guys ready to open the big box? I think I need scissors. Oh, how do I do this? Why is it not opening? 뭐야? Oh, I don't want to break the box. The box is so pretty. Sorry, I had to loosen this part up off camera because it just wasn't budging. Here we go! Whoa, horror! I gotta take a picture of this first. I'm sorry, hold on. Be right back. It is so beautiful. This is like possibly the most beautiful gift I've ever received. Okay, there's a card in here that talks about the different products. It's mostly in Korean, so I can't really read it too well. Okay, let's get to the box. So on the inside of the box here, it talks about all the different products that's in the box. Just like a brief description, I guess, but then again, it's also in Korean and my Korean skills, not so great. These are the products and it has a little, can you guys see it? There's a little slot here for the spatula. Ooh, okay, 진짜 너무 예쁘다. I want to look at this first because I've never tried this product yet. Oh no, I think I have to break the cardboard in order to get it out. Oh, the Carotene Relief Cream. I'm so curious if it has any fragrance. I don't think it has fragrance, or I think it's essential oils if anything. It doesn't smell like added fragrance. 다행입니다. It's very lightweight. It's not sticky at all. Wow. I was expecting it to be sticky. I love the packaging. It has like these carrot motifs and there's also a parsley line that's in this box as well, similar to this line, but I think this might be like their older version because I feel like the newer packaging has different fonts and different graphics. I want to check out the spatula. Oh, simple spatula still. It's the thought that counts. At least they thought about giving us a spatula. Oh, is this the up updated version. You guys already know I love their Carotene Moist Effector. It's the one with like the chrome finish, dark maroon, or is it maroon? I don't even know if it's a maroon. It's like a dark brown pipette. And I think they upgraded it, or I don't know if it's considered an upgrade, because I like that packaging a lot more. Ironically, because I normally don't like pipettes, that Moist Effector back then was just so beautiful. It has like a glass bottle, the dropper. The whole thing just looks really beautiful. If you guys have not seen that yet, go check out my review over here of Skinfood's Carrot line. This one is the new updated version. Now a plastic bottle with the pump, and I feel like the quantity is also reduced, right? I think it used to be 70. It was a weird number. It was like 72 milliliters or like 71 milliliters. So it was not like rounded number. This one is 50 mils now. I don't know about that, Skinfood. I don't know about that. You have a lot to explain, especially if you're keeping the price the same. Ooh, let's check out this. Hold on. This is the Water Parsley Silence Essence. What kind of naming is that? First of all, you guys already know I love the term Moist Effector. It's powerful, you know, it's like I'm the Moist Effector. And this one's like I'm the Silence Essence. This is so cool. If you want to tell someone to shut up, buy this for them and just be like, hey, maybe you should just, you know, silence your essence. That was a bad joke. Oh, this is like the opposite of the Moist Effector. The Moist Effector is like transparent, it's clear, it's basically like a clear liquid. This one is like a white, kind of creamy substance. That's so interesting. I wonder what it's gonna feel like. We'll find out. Oh, ooh, it's actually pretty watery. It's not as milky as I thought it would be. Ooh, it has a... I don't know what kind of smell it is, but I've smelled it before. I'm very familiar with the scent. I just don't know what the name of it is. But once you work into your skin, it's gone. Oh, I don't smell it anymore. What the heck? Is that magic? What? That's so cool. And it's really hydrating. 촉촉하다. 오, 이거 진짜 좋아요. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see somewhere in that cart. I have, I think, 4 left of the Carotene water pads. It is possibly the most hydrating toner essence pad I've ever tried in my life. Like, I'm telling you, that pad is just soaked. It is like drenched, injected with just pure hydration. Funny story, in my review of the Carotene Calming Water Pad back then, I had said that, I forgot what I actually said, but I think I was using it incorrectly. I placed it on my cheeks. Soo-hyun-nim emailed me and gave me a note about my review, and she said, actually, the calming water pads, you can actually turn them into 3 pieces instead of just the 2. I don't know how that mathematically works because it comes with 2 pads, but anyways, I think in the smaller packaging, like the individual packaging, it comes in 2 pads, but we have the whole tub here this time, guys. And apparently each of these pads you can separate it into 2, so that means back then I could have separated it into 4 pads and put it on like all around my face. So that's the one note that Soo-hyun-nim told me, and she said that like the advantage of these thick pads is that you can actually separate it and make the most use out of it. I assume this is gonna be like, yeah, it's gonna be sealed, so I'm not gonna open it because I still have the old ones that I haven't gotten to yet. So I'm gonna finish those first and then open this. I believe they kept the same amount of pads in this tub from their old packaging. I think it used to be 60 pads and now it's also 60, so this is so nice. This is so nice. This gift is so nice. Oh my gosh. Last product we have here is the Water Parsley Clear Pad, and I also don't really know what the significance and the effects of water parsley is, so once I figure that out, I'll probably do like an in-depth review of all these products. I'm so excited. The liquid inside this tub doesn't seem that milky or like thick white, so I'm guessing it's not the essence that's in here, but instead it's the toner that's in here. Once again, thank you so much, Soo-hyun-nim, and thank you to the CEO of Skinfood. 죄송해요, I don't know the name of the CEO, so I can't really thank them in this video, but Skinfood의 대표님 사랑해요. Alright, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't really know what the point of this video is besides me showing off my gift, and it's not every day I get to do this. Every time I get to make videos like this, I just remind myself like just how grateful I am to be able to make content and have these brands see them and then have them react to them and respond to my creativity. So yeah, every time I get gifts like this, I never take that for granted. I hope your new year is off to a great start, everyone, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be safe, stay hydrated, and most importantly, be gentle with yourself. 안녕, come back for more. 주세요.